Good evening, everybody. David Paul here in the KHOU Element Weather Center. On a Monday evening, it's going to be another cold night. We woke up with lows Monday morning in the 40s and 30s. We're going to do it again on Tuesday morning. Clear skies and light winds. Instead of a wind-blown cold, this is going to be radiational cooling. On these clear nights, what little warmth we did get today, we had a high of 60, will be allowed to just kind of slowly drift up off and into outer space. Very light winds, calm winds. So radiational cooling, clear skies, calm winds, and that with very dry air in place. You can feel your face getting kind of dry, will lead to a cold night. I've got 39 in and around the Houston area. In the morning, it'll be colder up north. We'll look at all of that. But I wanted to show you this. So tomorrow morning, 39. In the afternoon, we'll make the 70s, but then 83 the high by Wednesday. So Texas is such an interesting place to live in when we're changing seasons. We go from one extreme to another in 36 hours, 48 hours. So 30s in the morning Tuesday to 80s Wednesday afternoon as we get, this one's called temperature whiplash. I'm not sure who came up with that one, but it's definitely another Texas turnaround in temperatures. High temps forecast tomorrow, 74. So after a cold start, beautiful afternoon, 74. Tuesday is Veterans Day as well, so nice weather for all the outdoor activities. And then temps above normal, 83 Wednesday, 82 Thursday, Friday 84, Saturday 82, Sunday 80. And notice a little less warm Sunday, Monday. That is going to be because of an approaching Pacific storm system that we think is going to bring us some rain. It'll be, we think, the first of several Pacific system that's going to change the weather pattern for the second half of the month. There should be a wetter weather pattern, which would help the drought conditions, which are becoming kind of bad. We've got severe drought officially now, Liberty County, Northern Chambers County. We're in moderate drought up and down the 288 and I-45 corridor and across Harris County. And then it gets worse. Drier weather out west goes from severe to extreme drought. Austin County, Wharton County into Colorado County. Colorado County is very dry. Columbus, bone dry out there. I was on I-10 through Columbus over the weekend, and I can tell you it is bone dry out there. Everybody's brought their hay in, and it's dry out there. And we need some rain. I think they're going to get it over the next week or so. I'll show you how the weather pattern is going to change. This Monday evening, it is spectacular. How beautiful across the Houston area. This is the Med Center twinkling on a chilly night. It's 54 here at 6:32 on a Monday night. Lovely. Dew points at 22. That is bone dry. When you get dew points that low in Houston, we're not used to that. That's more like desert dry dew points. And you can easily get chapped lips and dry skin, so use the moisturizer tonight and tomorrow. It stays pretty dry. Lows this morning. So this is what happened when we woke up this Monday morning. Woke up at 42 at Bush. Hobby woke up to 44. Sugarland 40. Tomball 38. Conroe 33. Cleveland woke up to 35, and Galveston is 47. Now, this had a north wind with it as well. So this was what we call an advection cold night. It was being pulled in. That's what the word advection means. It's moving in with that north wind. Tonight, the low temperatures won't have any wind. They're going to be radiational-driven cold temps. And right now, very light to almost calm winds out there. Very light north breeze, about 3 to 5 miles an hour. Holly at 56, Sugarland 52, Conroe's already down to 49. Sun just went below the horizon. Cleveland's already down to 44. Coldest part of the area will be up here, Northern Liberty, San Jacinto, and Polk County. Galveston's at 56. Angleton 48, Sugarland 52, Wharton at 54. It is beautiful, but it is chilly. A sweater for your evening walk. Okay, Tuesday morning, Hunters Creek, y'all wake up at 40. Montrose 39. Galena Park 41, Allendale at 40, Aldine 39. So these temps are actually a degree or two colder than it was this morning. But with no wind, it won't be too bad. You won't have to fight any type of a wind out there. Clear and cold Tuesday morning. Attucks 39, Tomball 36 in the morning, Alameda 37, North Shore 41, Channel U 41, LaPorte and Baytown 45 degrees in the morning. And then bigger picture stuff, Northside, Navasota 38 in the morning, Huntsville 36. Livingston, I've got you at 37. You could be a degree below that. I don't think anybody freezes officially. It's possible there could be a little patch or two of frost in some of the open fields early in the morning, Livingston, Cold Spring, Huntsville, up to Conroe. So we'll call it clear and cold across the area. in the morning. Brenham 39 in the morning, Columbus 39. Same thing, you could have a patch of frost on some exposed surfaces. Houston 39, Pearland 41 in the morning, definitely a jacket and sweater. Sugar Land 40. Galveston, about where you are right now, 56. You got that warm water next to you, so you won't drop as much as the inland areas will. And then rebounding to highs in the 70s across the board tomorrow. College Station 73, Sealy 75, Houston 74, Galveston 69, 73 in Pasadena on what will be a beautiful, beautiful day for all the outdoor activities going on with Veterans Day on tomorrow, Tuesday. And then I wanted to show you, push ahead to Wednesday, warming trend this week. We'll be in the low to mid 80s for high temps on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday as we warm back up toward the middle and end of this work week, but otherwise beautiful. So 74 tomorrow, Wednesday 83, Thursday 82. No rain for the next 3 days. I think a few high clouds Wednesday, Thursday, but that's about it. It's going to be very nice. Next few days, cold morning, high pressure moves over Mississippi, Alabama. We begin to get more of a southeast flow. So after a cold morning, it'll warm up during the day into the 70s. And then that more southerly flow continues going into Wednesday, brings back the 80s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, let's talk about this wet weather pattern coming in, and we need it. And I know this is music to a lot of farmers' ears that we've got a wetter weather pattern coming, and it looks like we do. It's what the models are all suggesting. This will be storm number 1. Now, it's here bringing rain and snow to the higher elevations of California and Nevada as we head into Friday. Friday, we're still dry here in Houston, southeast Texas, but Sunday night into Monday, I think Sunday night into early Monday, we get a rain chance out of this one. So that'll be our first of 3 systems. We can see them stacking up on the models. That's number 1. That's the one that comes in Sunday night, Monday with our first rain chance. Second one, it will be here on Saturday, and then the third one will be here over the Aleutians going into Saturday. So all 3 of those look to follow the storm track and track down around the bend and a dip in the southern branch of the jet up and into Texas over the coming week, week and a half. So again, number 1 arrives Sunday, Monday. This would be Wednesday of next week. This would be toward Friday, Saturday of next week. So we're looking 10 days out or so, but that's what's coming. And because these are Pacific systems, they're not coming in from Canada, coming in from the Pacific, they've got moisture with them. So that's why it looks like each one of these will be able to deliver, hopefully, potentially, a decent round of rain with each one. There may be quite a bit of rain at times next week. So NOAA has caught on to this. They can see it coming. They're looking at the longer range outlook. They've got us wetter than normal as 1, 2, 3 storms following basically the same track come into the west and bring some much needed rain. That's the 16th through the 20th. The outlook is wetter than normal. Good. We need the rain. Okay, Tuesday, tomorrow. Cold start on Veterans Day, 39. Beautiful by lunchtime, 70. Sunny and mild, 74. I've got the wind icon in here. We may have a gust of wind in the afternoon, 15 to 20. But really just pleasant overall. Shouldn't cause any problems with awnings and whatnot with whatever activities you've got going on with Veterans Day. And then the extended forecast, Wednesday 83, Thursday 82, Friday 84. Beautiful. Saturday's 82. The timing is not completely in focus. It's either going to be Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, we get a rain chance, or it could be that whole thing holds off until Monday. Right now I'm going 40 Sunday, 20 Monday. We may be able to raise these rain chances and put it either on Sunday or Monday as we get closer to those 2 days. That is the window. It's a 48-hour window right now when we may see that first round of rain come in with storm number 1, but it's still 6 to 7 days out, and so we don't have it quite in perfect focus yet. Stay tuned. If you've got activity Sunday afternoon, it could be as early as Sunday afternoon. We get the rain and thunder coming in. Watch the weather, stay close to the forecast with us this week, and we'll keep we'll focus in on that as the models get a little more clear. That's where we stand on this beautiful chilly evening in Houston, everybody. Happy Veterans Day tomorrow to my veterans out there. Happy evening, everybody.